Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ulampang kayong dorbar tawaan ke jela o Thomas E. Sangma. Uloong ba kayong dorbar kalashim ya karaya kasiyan baningkong. Ban pinon kam daki kor kibor kajuk bamenta. Ban Pynkylla ya Ktien Hindi siya Ktien English. Bat kila don kaktu kat ni kijing tko. Hanray kin kami banyak. Bahagi sengi kibanwan kin kampen bah syuk-syuk. Habakran mikilat patah kubor. Hagasngi sedang ke dorbar. Thomas uloong bah ke dorbar ke bansalong. Henry Bnai Hadien. An pentikna bakani kejing penon kami kini ki kor kibor idei balapnya khambha da ka Pynkylla ru na Ktien Khasi sya Ktien English na Ktien Garo sya Ktien English bat kumta ter.
There would be some flaws, as I would say, because this is for the first time this assembly has taken the initiative to give the translation, the live translation of the governor's address, which was done in Hindi, and the simultaneous translation was done in the English language. Certainly there would be some flaws because this is for the first time that we are doing it, but it may not be as verbatim according to the verbatim. I would know, but this was done along with the help of artificial intelligence program and also the human manually. So we will still have a long way to go towards achieving 100% accuracy of this thing. But hopefully, I would like to also announce to you that we are working hard. In next 6 months, coming 6 months, within 6 months, definitely we will be having another assembly session where we will try our best to introduce the translations, live translations to from Khasi to English, from Garo to English, and from Gentia to English. Because of his health program, he could not speak for long. So this is usually done on health grounds. It is usually done. So we have, since governor's office has requested that maybe taken as read. So I think this is considered. Was not, used today's thing. It was done manually, but we have engaged some experts from National Law University. So this is the initial stage. I cannot say we are 100% happy with it, but certainly for the first time, we cannot be satisfied 100%. But it was done satisfactorily, I would say.
Send through the microphone.
Yeah, wherever the microphone, the headphones, earphones facilities are provided, anybody can listen.
But sir, if I'm not mistaken, the media gallery, we couldn't have that live translation today.
Okay. Point noted. We will try to ensure that you also get, the supply of headphones.
But this will be done within 6 months, right?
And within 6 months, I'm also just referring that usually every 6 months, within 6 months we have assembly sitting. So in the next assembly sitting, I don't know where it is, when it will be, but in the next assembly sitting, we will try our best that the translation also happens for other our local regional languages also, like Khasi, Garo, and Gentia. This is actually the desire of this assembly, this house, and I'm very happy and thankful to all the members supporting me in this venture.
Thank you.